So what is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So I look like a hash brown, but that is not the focus. So today I have a company I'm working with called Elemo Hair, and this is the box that I got the wig in. Side of the box, it gets interesting. They did send this little makeup. Hold on, y'all. They sent me some stuff. They sent me a comb, which you can never go wrong with these, sis. They sent me a cheetah little mini makeup bag, which will come in handy. And then they sent 2 nude wig caps. And they sent a sponge. Thank y'all. Then they sent this pair of eyelashes. So with that being said, the collaboration is with this wig. It is 18 inches, and it's body wave, and of course it's a frontal. Now this is a really nice wig, you guys. The bat, it comes protected, which I love. These body wave curls are nice. So I love. Okay, this hairline is very much pre-plucked. Okay, I feel the vibes, and the lace is already like a nice brown, so I don't really have to do much. Now the knots, I could bleach them, but I'm not going to, because you know makeup will just handle that. But this is the curl texture. Really cute, really pretty, you know. So let's just kind of hop right into this. I don't want to prolong it. Gonna try to do some type of hairstyle. And the cap construction, it is 3 combs and adjustable straps, and this is a full 360. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Probably shouldn't have tried to cut the bangs on my head, But for the most part, the turnout is not bad as I was imagining it while, you know, I was in the process. So I'm happy it worked out and it doesn't look, you know, super bad. So I do want to talk a little bit more about this company. So the company is called Elemo Hair, and they sell different wigs and virgin hair, stuff like that, 360, transparent lace. They have a lot to offer on their website. So they did send me this wig, and it is 18 inches. As you guys seen, it was a 360. It had about 3 combs and adjustable straps and a ton, like a ton of parting space, literally. So the density is 150. This was pre-plucked, you can definitely tell. I could tell, but you guys didn't see much of the hairline, just a little, you know, a little bit that I flashed. So I do apologize for that. But I really think this wig is just so cute. And I'm glad that I cut it in bangs because I've been craving like bangs for so long. Bangs aren't like super chunky, but I like them. I usually like my bangs to kind of come down to my eyes. So I'm really feeling this. I don't have an issue with them. But shipping with this company, it took about 3 days. Did not take long at all. Got the hair via DHL. And just so far, I did get some shedding, but it probably is just from me snipping into the hairline and all that type of stuff. But I loved that the lace was already like a medium brown. So that was my favorite thing about this wig. And I do like that they did give me little goodies in the box. Usually companies do, but you get lucky if you get a comb. So thank you guys for that. But that is really all that I have to say for this wig. Let me know if you guys like this bang tutorial on head styling and stuff. If not, just thumbs down the video per usual, like you guys kind of do. I don't know, but it'd be like 3, 2 or 4 dislikes on every video. But like always, I love you guys so much. Check out Elemo Hair in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.